Hey everybody, I'm Veljko, and in this box right in front of me are the new taillights for my Peugeot 207 GTI that I bought. And I'm gonna go straight to unboxing to show you what type of taillights I bought. And I mean, you probably already saw in the thumbnail, but I just wanna show you again. So let me take this off. And ta-da! It's this one. Now, of course, these ones are the facelift taillights. I personally love the design, especially these LED dots. It really makes the Peugeot look newer, and yeah, that's what I bought. There's so this is the left one, so this is the right one, and I bought it new. I didn't want to buy used, although I encountered a problem that, I mean, not a problem, but a miscommunication. I didn't know that the facelift taillights, they have a different bulb holder, so my old one doesn't fit at all. So it costed me 50 more euros, and the taillights I bought in Serbia for 15,000 dinars, which escalates to around 120 euros. So in total, it's gonna cost me 170 euros. I'm gonna put how much that is in dollars and pounds. And I still think they're worth it because they're still new. There's no flaws at all. Now, some of you watching might ask me in the comments why I just didn't buy the used ones, because they already come with the bulb holder and everything. You just plug and play. And the reason why I didn't is because they're still pricey. The used ones are still 50 euros, and these new ones are 60 euros a piece. So that's not a big difference, and you get a brand new one. Now, of course, they don't come with the bulb holder, so I had to pay more, but still, I think it's worth it. It really pops. I mean, it looks very three-dimensional. I'm gonna show you when I install in more detail. I was also thinking to buy the LED modern looking ones. I'm gonna show a picture. I don't know how they're called. They also look very nice in black, like smoked. But my Peugeot is a very dark green gray color. I'm not the type of car guy who does the blackout everything. I like some chrome details, some shiny bits here and there. It doesn't bother me, although if this taillight is gonna be too shimmy, I can just put a light black wrap tint and we'll see how that looks. It's a simple shape to put. So yeah, stay tuned for all that, and that is it for unboxing and intro and review. So let's get to the installation. And finally, after I think 1.5 months, the bulb holders for the facelift finally arrived. Like, I was waiting so much. These boxes were in my studio for so long, and I just can't wait to now install them. So yeah, these are the pre-facelift taillights, and I don't know, it makes the car look older. Like, it looks like the design is like from 2003. I mean, they could have done a bit better job, but hey, that's why there's a facelift, and that's why I'm gonna upgrade to those ones. Sorry if I'm recording here outside, it's raining, so I don't wanna get wet while recording. But yeah, we have the nice bright lights here, so yeah, let's begin. So to remove the taillight, there is a screw at the back here that you unscrew. And it's like this one. And then you carefully pull out. There is like a metal clip here that you need to just quickly detach, like that. And it's done. That took like literally 30 seconds to remove. All right, let's get the facelift taillight. It looks beautiful in new condition. And I believe this is the left one. Yep, it matches. So I think ground is this one. Yeah, ground and plus. So I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in. So, okay, there you go. and the rest will follow. It's ready to be installed. I just hope everything works. I waited this long, so I'm a bit nervous. And we are connected. I'm just gonna leave it here to test it. First. All right, moment of truth. I'll put contact and oh, I can see it's working. Wow, what a difference. And let me know, guys, what do you think? In my opinion, it completely transformed the back of this car. It really looks, the car looks like it's from 2015 or something. Especially that it's brand new, it's not used. Wow, what a, like this modification is a must for the Peugeot 207 GTIs. So yeah, I'm gonna put the other one. This is how it looks when it's shut off. Now the original Peugeot taillight, only the LED dots are lit up, but this, because it's not original, it's a depot taillight, this strip in the middle also lights up and it creates a nice, wait, I'm gonna turn it on. Better to explain. As you can see, like from the sides, you can see it very nicely and it looks very unique. It doesn't look like, oh, I just put a facelift taillights. This in the middle strip, let's say, also lights up a bit, and yeah, it creates a nice, interesting lighting for the taillight. 2003 looking taillights and 2015, let's say. So I'm very satisfied. I'm gonna install a second one and then show you a bit more. Today is a sunny, bright day, and I just have to show you how it looks in broad daylight. It looks awesome to me. They so look, it's not that orangey red, it's like a new pinkish kind of red. I so love it. It really looks brand new and that makes a difference. So I'm gonna show you from many angles here, and later I'm gonna show you how all the bulbs work. I have the reverse LED light and the indicator LED light bulb that I installed. As for the old ones, I'm gonna try to sell them maybe for 20-30 euros. They're not in very good condition, so I don't think I'm gonna gain much by selling them, but hey, I don't need them anymore, so I'll get some money back. It's like I bought a newer car right now, so yeah, another modification is successfully done. In the next video, I'm gonna do stage 1 tune on my Peugeot 207 GTI, so stay tuned for that, it's gonna be exciting, and take care.